Hello guys, no, just give me a minute. I'll be with you shortly. You can skip a minute or two. I'm just going to send the link to everyone. Yep, that's muted. I have the link here. Live on Facebook. Yes. Everything is fine. Let me see. Yeah, the chart's coming full. Alright. SFB. Let me just. Guys, tomorrow's FMC. And this live is gonna be around that, but I will share with you because yesterday I've been posting everywhere. I posted YouTube, short, TikTok, on Facebook, everywhere. Like, buy the dip, like literally buy the dip, because this is just a start of the moves. All right, look at DXY, look at one. Everything has been holding very well yesterday. Yes, they had slightly sell off after that, but everything is holding just fine. A 5% drop is nothing in crypto, so people start getting panic on 5 to 10% drop. I'm live, and here the link goes. Alright, so the link is here. The link is gonna be shared on Facebook. Another thing, I'm live on Facebook, yes, but I need to share to others as well. Alright, how you guys doing? How's everything? Hope you guys doing good and having fun, enjoying the day. Let's open Twitter. We have what else we have? We have Discord. Let's open Discord app. Alright guys, if you're not in Discord, the link is gonna be in bio. Either you're watching on Facebook, it's gonna be on top there, or if you're watching on YouTube, so it's gonna be, the link is gonna be there. Thank you. I mean, I'm keep getting fake profiles here and there, and again, I can't do much, you know. There's limited things that I can do. Welcome Salam Hassan Bhai. That's it. Alright guys, FTM, very clean road ahead. FTM chart is amazing, everything. Guys, I'm about to hit 7,000, so you need to help me out to get to 7,000. And I'm on Binance feed as well, but the thing is, I'm trying to get on Binance live so I can do a lot of lives there and target the actual audience, like target everyone and share the knowledge, the amount of money we've been making last month. Like this coin, I have been like adding a lot in this pullback right here. All right, I added bunch here. When you get first move from here, this was the entry. I was holding this from very low levels, but I start adding on to this leg up here, and then I added here when it broke to this low like this ABC correction, because you need to understand what happened here. It trapped the buyers, the bears. The bears start shorting this market because they think it's a lower low, but actually they don't understand this is a high low. This trend is still up. There's no break happen. Like as long as this was holding, it was absolutely fine. So when I saw this rejection right here, the volume's climbing up on lower time frame, it was looking amazing. So what I did is I start buying more. So my position was very small in DYDX, like any other alts. So last month when I was buying alts, I was adding small positions because they were dropping still. So when I saw the moves up, okay, when I saw strength coming in the market, when I saw the confirmation on daily, like we have a uptrends coming up. If you see, we have a leg up, high low, high, that's a confirmation, and then you have another confirmation, this huge candle. So this is where it gave me confidence, and I start buying with many alts, not just this, many alts did this move. So from here there was a confirmation, and this is just a start. I've been shouting for weeks now, buy the dips, buy the coins, or don't overthink it. This is just one of the example what DYDX did. It did amazing run, and I'm still holding. I'm not selling anything because I see a room above, a huge room above. For me, I see a huge room above. There's nothing. If you zoom out, nothing happened here so far. So for me, I see a bigger picture. I remember this start launching here. I traded back then as well. There's a small zone here because I was drawing this back in the days, last bull run. So I think there's a gap here, and this is where the market broke this sharply. It could go to 10, like it still can do 3x, but the first target that I'm personally waiting for is around $7ish, like 100% from here. So this is the, I'm not saying go buy and put everything, wait for a small pullback, because it's just breaking up, strong break. So far we don't have big rejection or anything like that. Big consolidation of 260 days. So this is what I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm gonna add this, and I think it can run. So this time I'm not selling coins quickly, guys. Last run I sold in January, February, but the bull run ran till April. So coins did amazing run, March, April. So I sold a month or two early, but I was trading. But it's not fun again when you're trading, buying and selling. It's fun when you make like 5, 10, 20x, which I did with most of the coins like ADA and others, many. But it was not as sexy as it could have been. FTM, yeah, FTM. I have been accumulating FTM. Guys, let's discuss about Bitcoin first, and then we'll go ahead with the rest. And you know, I had my new solar inverter, which was like 15-20 kg, and I had to hold that up because it got faulty. If I asked the guy who fitted it, he would have to drive 2.5 hours, come here, spend all day. He would have charged me $500. So I said, screw you. I just had to plug and unplug things and do some settings, and I spoke to another guy who's explained me the settings, and why would I waste money? So I done it myself, but I hurt my back. Now I have pen, but I think it will go away eventually. But yeah, I do have the pen, back pen. So we have DYDX, and I'm holding. I've been updating. Yesterday I updated it. I've been updating a lot on DYDX. I've done like 4-5 tweets on the charts. But yeah, it looks nice. And when it comes to Bitcoin, it looks amazing, guys. It looks juicy. What do you see here? Boom. Exact same thing is look to happen here. You have a fake out. Boom. You have a rising channel, fake out, potentially boom. The thing is, there's tomorrow FMC, next 24 hours, 23 hours and 47 minutes. Now, market is kind of waiting. There's an uncertainty going on, confusion. But I tell you, as soon as the FMC done, people will say, what was it? Nothing happened. Small volatility up and down and things like that. And there's nothing after that. People look, they just buy. There's not much fear after that. People are gone, like the fear, extreme fear, we have seen it. Crypto is dead. No one's gonna trust crypto. We've seen that kind of fear. That's why I was so certain and buying around 16,000 levels. I posted on Facebook, nothing to hide, nothing to say I told you so. I'm not that kind of guy. I posted, I tried to tell everyone, go buy. I gave example, look, mining cost is more than what you can buy for, because mining difficulty, the electricity prices. On top of that, I said there's only 3 billion worth of market cap. Millions of Bitcoin has been lost. Bunch of supply sitting in Satoshi Nakamoto wallet. I mean, the market cap itself is below 300 billion, and Facebook alone worth one company worth that much on social media. Bitcoin is huge. It's supposed to be gold, digital gold, so it's still cheap, I would say. Yes, anything can happen. You could just drop, or whatever happens, that's a different story. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Time will tell. Alright, let me see. Alright, it's only 16 of you. Is everything alright? Can you guys hear me? I'm not getting much of comment. Said bhai, I'm good, thank you. Yeah, Bitcoin, I'm not going to complicate because I've already explained more in details what's happening. If you haven't watch the YouTube short. I've uploaded on yesterday, right here. YouTube short, I've explained in detail, like literally everything almost happening the same way. YouTube short I uploaded yesterday explaining that how market is taking liquidity from above. So we had this high created, then goes down, takes the lows, then takes this low with this wick, goes up, takes the liquidity, comes down, then creates a double top here. People start shorting this, then goes up, then takes this high and these two high, and then goes down, takes this low and takes this low as well. I mean, market is playing games all the time with you guys. So if you are looking at small pictures, you're gonna get wrecked. Right now what market is doing is just trying to hold this trend line. All right, everyone is probably shorting this trend line, some are buying this trend line. There is another thing, there's a supply zone right here which is causing us some pelling pressure. But if we break this zone, I think it's gone. It might not pull back. Tomorrow FMC might have a if it goes up, for example, might have a quick spike, something like that, trying to take liquidity from this low. I want market to take this low right here, this low, this low and this low by tomorrow, because I want bears to get trapped, because if they're not trapped we won't see a good rally up. Okay, I'm a bull, so for bull to be winning, bears needs to be trapped. All right, I don't want anyone to do a loss, but stupid people will lose, and this is where a smart, I'm not gonna call myself smart, I'm just saying like smart money makes money. So this is the place we'll look for. Yesterday we had very small fake out of this area. This is where market is taking liquidity. Yes, you see kind of this a lot of lines here, just ignore them. I do that to explain in the video, so I don't have to draw. It's a 160-second video in YouTube short, I can't explain too much, so I have to be quick. Okay, let's go with FTM. Let's see what FTM is up to right now. Oh boy, I like that. All right, look at the way it moved here. All right, okay, I'm trying to teach you guys something here. Where is our high low in this move? High low is down here, like this is our high low. All right, but the market comes down. If you go in 1 hour time frame, it shows like, okay, it's a resistance, a major resistance. If you go back, this is a major resistance. The reason I draw this up here, the reason I draw this is to see where conflict is. Okay, where people, I used to be like that. I used to see, oh, this is resistance, but they don't understand we are coming after a multi months of bear market. People already out, they don't care about this. Those who are buying, they are not buying for small gains. We had this move right here, where is it? This move right here, this trapped a lot of bears. Those who are here waiting for pullback, buying after this move up, setting stop loss down here, they are out. This candle took them out, and after this candle we have market people that buying is shorting this market, putting stop loss up here or up here. First they got out from here, and then market comes down, traps them. This looks like a head and shoulder. People start shorting it, boom, stop loss gone. Then it goes down, people think, oh, I'm out, let me short it again. I put stop loss up here. It comes down, hurts their feeling, and boom, this is where people stop loss here, go out here, stop out, stop out, stop out. All the liquidity has been taken, and now we are mooning because people are trapped. And some got liquidated, some are still in negative position running. They are hoping for the market to give them pullback so they can close in break even. It happens a lot all the time in the markets. This is where the bulls win. Ziabai is fine. If there's a share card to come, that's fine. It will come. I am prepared mentally. I was even thinking this could go to a 21,000 area. I was prepared for it. Mentally, I didn't mind. If the market wants to drop, that's fine. My buys are very low. It doesn't hurt me. Okay? This is not where, this is just to grow my capital. This is not where I run my house. I have other business, eBay business that I run, which pays my bill. My life is set. Crypto for me is, I'm not taking any money for next few years, so it doesn't matter because I don't want to take the money and pay tax on it. I will only take the money when I have other sources slow down and no other sources unless I want to do something. I already bought the house. There's nothing I want to buy right now. So I just want to compound my gains and go to 7 figures. Alright, that's my goal in this bull run. Go to 7 figures, 1 million. I've done twice multi 6-figure last 2 bull runs. I want to go 7 figure. Yes, I made money, lost some, spend some, so it keeps getting reduced. Yeah, but I want to compound it now. And how in my head 20,000, I don't know when and why would it. People are comparing this with 2020. It was COVID. It's not the same thing. We have seen extreme fear that no one wanted to buy Bitcoin around 16,000. But yeah, I did because I want to go against the masses. I was so inside afraid as well at the same time. Not so because I knew I could lose that money. So I prepare myself for everything I do first. So these pullback, yes, they came. I said I could face 20-30% pullback. I've been saying from last few days, I know the pullback eventually come before FMC or around FMC, but I'm not selling. I'm willing to take 10-20% pullback on my crypto, but I was down only 5-7%. But now I'm up again. Like many coins are already up again where they were yesterday. Few are not, but others like DXY, FTM, these are my big backs. And they are recovered much better. So the small coins that did not move yet, they are overlapping that. Like it's covering, it's averaging for me. I have like 30 plus coins, 30-40 coins, because some are small positions, some are big. I don't know which one is gonna be big. I never knew DXY will run as good as this is doing it right now. Even FTM. Alright, my bet was on FX. FX is slow at the moment. It might run, but I don't know. Time will tell. But I really like FTM. I've added another 6K in my account just for alts. Because I didn't want to save my BTC portion to buy alts. So that's what I did. I've added more money to buy alts. So for example, if it runs, gives me a dip, I'll add more. Then it runs, gives me a dip, I'll add more. So this is my plan. Keep adding until I see spikes, like FOMO spikes. Okay, then I'm gonna start selling. So that's my actual goal for this bull run, which I've sold last year early. Yes, I had spikes. Like when the BNB ran from 10, like I was buying around $15-16. I sold at 130. I was completely sold out, and it went to nearly 1,000 because I sold at first big spikes, and then they slightly pulled back. They kept on running. Yeah, you don't need to worry, man. Just buy a few houses, chill, enjoy the life. Look, even I've made money, I did not spend in any luxury. I didn't even buy a car yet, like expensive one. I didn't spend any money on stupid shit. For me, I like this. This is a game for me. I like it. I enjoy it. I spend all day here. I don't feel tired. I don't get frustrated. Like I do get mentally tired, but nothing like is. When I wake up in the morning, I want to be here, check the charts, do things because I like it. It's a very interesting game to know how you can play this game better than most. Alright, this is what this game about. Alright, every game, like when I see other players playing very well, I want to be in their level, destroy it. But yeah, it is what it is, shit happens. But yeah, I really like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 days of consolidation here, and then boom. This is what I like. Market is building. If we see a spike up non-stop, that's bad. But market is building up while it's going up. This is very good price action. Very good price action. Then you have a break. This is just one leg on 4 hours so far. So any small pullback, I might be adding. So I'm just going to set alert in case, but I don't think so. Pullback is necessary because after 4 days is breaking. Only 1 4-hour candle. This is a breaking confirmation. Some people will just take this trade as it is because they are taking swing trade. They're looking for big targets. They might just take this. It's 18% stop loss, a big one. They might say, okay, looking at the back for example, this is your supply zone right up here, because this is where last sharp move came. They will just say, okay, this 1 to 3 risk and reward, I will take that. And yeah, this is what people might do. Okay, there are many swing traders, they will do this kind of trades. For me, I'm fine. I'm not I'm okay without having stop. Even here, this is a little tighter stop loss, you get a better risk and reward. But yeah, it is what it is. I could just trade, but I play cycles. I like those. It gives me much more relief. Asif, I know crypto is drug. Guys, I will look everything you guys mentioned. I'm just sharing the knowledge, to keep you calm down when things happen. Let me see, where did I post about it? Let's go to Twitter and quickly give an idea. Like FMC tomorrow, it's not 22 hours. I was wrong. So I posted DXY chart here. I posted yesterday when it was 2.5 breaking up, when everything was crashing. There's a lot of news. Dogecoin is looking alright as well. I posted about Magic that is sitting at this area. I've done 2,000 tweets so far in total on Twitter. 2,000 tweets. I know you guys don't care about this, but just bear with me. I did a space today, Twitter space. It was amazing. A lot of things being shared. Something new to me, something I learned, something I've shared. LDO yesterday, last night I've added here. It looks amazing. But yeah, I shared this chart right here. Look at this and look at this, what happened. That was the bottom, guys. After that, market did not move down. Alright, this is where I wanted to buy. Okay, this is the candle that I was shared at. This candle, this last week candle, this is where I've tweeted, and we had no move after that down there. Alright, if you read what I've said, smart money is buying value, panic selling. It's just like a bear trap that we had down here. And strong arts are moving. DYDX, one ADA, they're moving. They hardly dropped. Even SHIB did not drop more than 6%. What I have seen. I'm keeping DCAing in the market. You got a DCA right now. This is not trying to get panic. Do not, if you start listening, everyone, like here, this chart, 23 hours ago, similar thing. Understanding there is a liquidity that market is trying to take that. And all the things, like I've been explaining very detailed, showing examples, making sure that you guys understand what is happening with the market. Alright, let's see, guys. I'm getting tired now. Alright, I need to add few coins as well myself. I haven't spent the money that I've added. Alright, GMX is a good one because it's similar to DYDX, and that shit can move. You gotta be keeping an eye on it. A lot of people, oh my god, I like this, guys. I like this chart because there's no history on Binance. I don't know if it's any other exchange there's more history, but I like this chart because it had a fake out, yes, it trapped bulls, yes, now it is still bullish trend, absolutely, because it never broke this zone. It tested this zone so nicely. That was very good entry right here this week. But even an hour ago, it was good entry. This is just faked out last hour. It's trying to get rejected from this supply zone, but it will eventually break. It's good that it's consolidating here. But yeah, if you want to get something, if you meet DYDX, this is not a bad trade. I've already owned quite a bit of GMX, but let me see how much I own. Then if I want to add, I will just add slightly more to it, because for me, I'm just averaging it. My average is very good overall so far. Yeah, I could add a small bit of it, not much, because I don't want to add a lot in some category. Yeah, add a small bit of it. You guys don't just go buy stuff that I'm buying right now. I mean, yeah, they can run, but doesn't mean they're gonna run forever. But overall, it's a bullish trend, looks amazing so far, and I really like how this is playing out. If it breaks out, all right, if it breaks out, I will add more to it. To me, it doesn't matter if I'm getting the bottom or not, but I want to see strength coming in. I want to add into the strength. This is still a good price because it broke this big candle low, faked it out, and those who are buying this breakout had stop loss below that, and they've been taken out. All right, we have GMX done. It looks amazing, guys. Looks amazing. If it goes to price discovery, there is no big moves here. This is just choppy market. If it's gonna run, it's gonna run good, in my opinion. It's gonna do good run once it's gonna run. We have KDA, USDT. KDA, USDT. Let's see Binance chart. It had a good drop yesterday. If it covers this drop, it have 1, 2, 3 days price action lows been taken with this. If for some reason, I mean, eventually most coin will do, even if it takes time, but if it recovers from here, it's gonna go, because everyone that wanted to get out in the short term, they already saw this as a resistance. They're already getting out. But yeah, it's good. If you believe in the project, I think, let me see, I might have small bit of KDA, because isn't the one of the game builds on it is a cheap no, I don't have KDA. No, I don't. But yeah, I don't know about all the project, guys. So DYDX FTM is done, DYDX is done, GARDA is done. As the APT topped out? No, I don't think so. APT is topped out. Alright, let's check APT USDT right here. Alright, I do not think APT is topped out. APT looks juicy, guys, juicy. Why would I say that? Alright, let me share with you why. Alright, this was a daily low, high low. Like, some probably thought this will, I was thinking myself, this will just go from here up, which is try to, and this low was taken out, 2 lows, this low was created. This was a good spot to have stop loss. This candle took that stop loss. Anyone that was buying this fake out having stop loss below it, this next candle took that low as well. It means a lot of liquidity has been taken and bears are getting trapped in this, which means it might run. It not topped out. As long as APT does not break 11.7, I mean, this zone is still bullish. All right, this is the actual big demand area, like in 4 hour, and this was minor. This is where I've drew and I've added. Okay, I personally waited and added here, right here. You can see a chart I think I posted on Twitter on 1 hour, based on 1 hour. When I saw this fake out, you can see there's a drawing. So I've added here. It ran, it gave this fake out. I saw it. Well, a few members sold in Discord. I didn't. So it comes down here and then comes down. This candle fakes out, takes this candle takes this low, takes more stop losses, but now it's trying to rise. See what happens. I don't know, but so far it does not seems to be topped out. There is some big money trying to short this or drop it down, but again it comes down and then it doesn't continue. That's the thing. If the market is keep getting dropped candle by candle, then there's a fear. But right now this is just a healthy ranging. There's nothing. It is what it is, you know. If you believe, it's up to you. If you're not, it's up to you, because I personally think these 2 weeks have a lot of stop losses above this from bears that's shorting it. So market might take this stop loss then drop, I don't know, or it might go further up. So time will tell. I have position in this. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but I'm just going with it. Phil is another good one that looks good. Alright, YFI, I'll come on that now. We have Doge and Shiba. I posted on Twitter about Doge. Alright, Phil is looking good. I really like Phil, guys. Why? Because it's in very clear uptrend, right? I had this zone which is a high low on 4 hour. It comes down, tests this, boom, bounce, and then it creates some more liquidity down here, more stop losses, more wicks. right down here. What market does is, because of yesterday price action, all the stop losses down here been taken out by this candle, right? And now market is pushing. Those who are shorted here, they are stuck. They have more money up here sitting. A lot more money is up sitting here. And when it's gonna break, it's gonna be a very juicy one. So I'm holding this already. Alright, my dad is calling me. So I'm holding this nicely, and I really like the chart. I don't really care about these dips or anything. I'm looking at bigger view, guys. If you zoom out, bigger view, very good consolidation happening here. You have already confirmation, high, low, high, high. It's an uptrend. Next area is this, and I think it's gonna just break through it eventually. It doesn't matter because it already broke through the lower high. This was actual lower high where the big spike low happened, and then you see big spikes that doesn't continue form the bottom most of the time. This is what happened in March, COVID March time as well. So yeah, I'm waiting, and I really like Phil so far. And Phil is very good project. If you search about it, I saw a video top coin from a developer. I explained that in last live as well. Phil is good coin because they provide, what do they provide? It's like a not sandbox, I mean Dropbox type thing. So it provides you a lot of things related to that. FXS, LDO, FXS, APT is done. Guys, you gotta share this with others. It's a free analysis. I mean, at least what you can do is share. Alright, thinking to add a small portion here, and if then goes on, I'll go. Also, this shit is great. I do. Oh, what it is? I think Arbitrum doesn't have any coin yet. It doesn't, as far as I know. Doesn't have any coin yet. They're gonna launch this coin. Alright, LDO. I posted the chart on Twitter right at the bottom of it. This is magic. LDO looks exact the same. Right here. Alright, look at this. LDO at $2. That's 2.2 now. It's almost 10%, 10% up. But yeah, if you watch that, it's sitting at bounce from a demand zone, and same thing here. A lot of stop losses been taken by this. Alright, this was a high low, yes, been taken out, but it was a quick fake out. And if we break this one, if it does like something like this on 1 hour, alright, you want to see a clear high low. If it creates a high low, then high high, this is start of a new run on 1 hour. So it will be clear trend again. And so many people will look at this as well, trying to draw trend line, see if it breaks, pullbacks, and goes up. I mean, creates a proper trend. It's in lower high at the moment on 1 hour. You want this to change on a 4 hour, sorry. So yeah, eventually it's gonna change that. Realistic high. I don't know, Proud Indian. I don't know where ICP is gonna go. ICP is kind of random. Realistic, no one knows what realistic is gonna happen. Alright, I don't want to lie to you. I really like FXS. I don't like this slow grind, but yeah, it's good. So while consolidating, had a high broken, but it never broke this high low. This was a high low because this created a new high, this low, and it came to exact that low. People start buying, volume spiked, and then now it's rising. As long as this keep going up, doesn't break down from here, that is good. If it recovers, that's fine, but if you start holding down, that's bad. But again, I think more sentiments are good, so it might just go up. So yes, a drop is coming, RB, but I think RB a drop is coming, but the actual coin is not out yet, so they are giving the coin free, that to create maximum value, so it gets distributed. Trend is your friend. I use no indicator, absolutely no indicator. I do sometimes keep this volume profile here, but that's it. Realistic, GMX, I've already shared that. ICP, ICP. I'll come on Facebook coins as well. Just give me a second. Let me just ICB looks good here. Yes, it broke this low here, but that's fine. It's not a huge deal. Daily is kind of choppy here. It broke this high. It looks good overall though. It looks good overall. Not bad. I'm not gonna say it looks bad. There's so much room in ICP to play. If you're holding it, as long as it doesn't break yesterday low 5.6, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. If you're afraid of losing or anything, just set stop loss there. You should be fine. Mina coin, Mina. Alright. 20. Oh, nice. Mina's moving. I added Mina yesterday, you know, a little bit. Not yesterday, or day before. Yeah, I don't remember exactly. Someone said there's a hype going on with this and all that. I said, let me just add it, see how it goes. It faked out, then it's breaking again. This is where, you know, people trapped, and it's looking nice so far. Mina looks nice. The volume is picking up a lot, so it could give it a run. It's quite low. Yeah, there's a lot of room for it to play. Did it had a bull run last time? Doesn't seem like it had a bull run. This is just a small move, like 2-3x. Yeah, if it never had a bull run, that could run a lot. Just keep an eye on it. There's a lot more factor into it. How much supply is out, how much to come. I have no idea what ZK is, guys. I'm just a guy who just buys stuff into momentum and then just sells it when everyone is getting FOMO in. Alright, I keep things simple. I don't know much. I knew about AI trend because AI, but I don't even know what ZK form is. What is ZK? Alright, let's see on CHZ. That be nice. YFI and YFI USDT. This was had a hack. This was a lot of shit show with the YFI. YFI looks alright. Nothing too special with it. Looks alright. Doesn't look very strong. Looks kind of weak because it had this break. Then as long as it's holding 6400, it's fine. 6400. As long as it's just chopping here and then breaks up, it's fine. It needs to hold this high low on daily. 64. Yeah, almost 6500 you can say. CHZ. CHZ looks alright. Nothing special because it does have a lot of bag holders. You need to understand, when FIFA came, even I was the one that bought it. I was just busy. I didn't even sell it. I sold at loss. Can you imagine that? I sold at loss somewhere around here, I think. I don't remember. But yeah, I didn't make profit. It was small position, but I invested that again. I made profit from it anyways. Know when to get out is better than just getting stuck. EGLD is doing alright as well. I saw earlier. So EGLD looking very good because if it breaks this area, and it most probably can, then there will be clear move up. Then this is the next area that I will have eyes on, 61 area. So overall, ELG looks fine. It had its same move here, very clear pullback here into this area before it was consolidating here. Comes here and then goes up and then creates this low. This low has been taken. This low's stop was taken, and now it's taking its time, but I think it can move still. I'm keeping an eye on it myself. VT, not everything looks great though. Market might go for one more dip, who knows. VT looks amazing, guys. So far, very clear high, but it's holding. We had a pullback, but it's recovering. It doesn't matter if it's slightly close below the trend line. I just do trend line because everyone does it and understands it. So I'm not a trend line trader. I want to see what people are doing there in trend line. I read the structure. The structure is bullish so far. As long as VET is holding this area 21, is fine. So it's pulling back. It's absolutely fine. You can just still rise. I don't complicate things. I keep things simple. What broken, where it closed, where it's not closed, all these things. Kassir, you're welcome, man. H bar, I'm holding H bar. I've kept on adding it, there's so much hype around it, big community. I said, why not add to this? And this looks amazing. The dip was amazing yesterday, and we have very nice strong double retest of this area. If H bar holds this and keeps on going, this is gonna be a very strong base for it. But yeah, overall it's looking nice. Yeah, nice. Retesting this high which it broke earlier. But yeah, H bar looks nice. If you're holding it, keep on holding, or if you want to add into it, up to you. Alright, give me a second. Let me see how much H bar position do I have, because I'm holding from lows. Then he gave a big spike and I want to add to the strength. When I know something is doing well, I want to add into them. Alright, let's go. I also got air term for long term. That's why I did some Osmo as well. That shit didn't have a run last one. Parabolic. Osmo. What is Osmo? It's getting spiked, sometimes those spikes are pump and dump groups and all that, or sometimes it's accumulation. Guys, you need to understand this, and this is rising as well at the same time. And this had no run, absolutely no run, and had a big sharp drop. Good time to go all in. Still have Pierre, it's very hard to say. If you got some cash, you better keep some, just in case tomorrow you see a sharp drop. Buy then. That would be a very good opportunity to buy if you can buy tomorrow into the dip, in my opinion. A lot of coins like RDR, I bought in others' suggestion. Sometimes they play sometimes the returns are amazing with it. Alexa, drop. Give me a second. Alexa, drop. Alright. Sorry guys. 82. Let's get this shit. I'll see what happens later on. This Sushi Theta's are nice. Elias, the game, I don't know, but Sushi and Theta are decent. I have Sushi as well. I'm not complicating things, guys. I don't look at charts a lot when I'm trying to buy. This is very good pullback in Theta if you want to get it. It already broke this high, formed a high low, and picked up good volume up here. So it's looking nice overall, I like it. Surprisingly, I have no Theta on me, because there was only limited coins that I could add. I can add a little bit of that. 100. Okay, that's fine. What else is there? Yeah, Sushi Theta is fine. Sushi should be fine as well. You should see Nia. I have Nia in my bag. And when it comes to LTC, I have small bit of LTC, but this is a dead project anyways. It's a dead project. Yes, it's moving. I have from around $70, like this area. It did had a pullback of from here. I don't remember exactly, but I had from a move up when I was seeing this breakout. Probably I was adding this. I don't know when, but I added LTC small bit. Rune. RNDR, if it giving you pullback, get it. It's a new project, doesn't have back holder, it might run well. Rune is nice, I like it. It's keep having small high and consolidating above the high that it broke earlier. So Rune looks good overall. It had a very nice high low and then high. I like Rune chart overall. It looks good. Oh, when is the halving for LTC? Yeah, that could create some hype because people need something right now to get in, some kind of hype type. I don't have LTC. No, I don't have LTC. I thought I might have, but I don't. Maybe I had back then, but not right now. I have Rune, alright position on Rune, not huge, but it's alright. But yeah, that's it for guys. I need to go. I got stuff to do, but I'll keep you guys updated. Probably in August, so it is a lot of time to play. That's fun, guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys next. I'll try to get access because I'm trying to get into Binance Live. If they allow me, the live's gonna be there, most of them. If I can stream everywhere, I would do that better. Then, alright guys, have a good day.